Yeah, viewers and subscribers, good evening. Welcome back to our next video, guys. This evening, I'm gonna cook some curry turkey neck. Yeah, guys, curry turkey neck and dumpling, guys. Want to watch that video, yeah, and see how I deal with my turkey neck. You understand what I did? I'm gonna put some different ingredients in it away from the curry and the hard purpose and the chicken season. You understand me, Adi? Guys, if you never see this before, want you try it. You understand me, Adi? Guys, a be a badness. So what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna clean up my turkey neck and I'm gonna swag on. Guys, just watch the video. And if you never see this before, want you try, guys. That one I go bad. Remember me tell them soon come back. Yeah, guys. So finished clean up the meat. So I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna throw some bag season on it. I'm gonna swag on in the kitchen, guys. Guys, a be a badness. Remember me tell them want to watch that video, yeah. Yeah, so guys, I'm gonna put some chicken season. Hard purpose. And the curry, guys. See the curry? Yeah. Guys, be about this in our kitchen. I wanna try this. Just watch the video, watch what I do, and want to try, guys. Yeah, guys, so that on the curry, you understand how I did. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm gonna put my oil. Yeah. Guys, I'll be about this in our kitchen, you know. Some different style of cooking. Yeah. People now go wonder if this really happened, but I want to try. You understand, somebody just watch me do and try, guys. I'm not telling no stupidness. Guys, look what I'm going to put so. So I'm going over here. Yeah. So I'm going to do now, guys. I will light up my stove and put on my pot and I'm going to see what I'm going. You understand, somebody? So, guys, soon come back. Be a badness. Don't know, some curry turkey neck and some cornmeal dumpling, guys. Yeah, watch that one, yeah. Soon come back. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna light up my stove now. I'm gonna see what I want in the kitchen. Guys, some bad curry turkey neck. Believe that. Guys, just watch your badness in the kitchen. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Click that notification bell as a video drop. You have it, guys. Soon come back. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna see what I want in my turkey neck pot over here. So, guys, I'll be a badness. Be a badness, guys. I'm not like to tell you. Be a badness, guys. Remember that. What I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna cut up some Irish, peel some Irish, and cut up some carrot, and cut up some ground season. You understand all this? So, guys, watch your badness in the kitchen. Yeah, guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put some water for my meat to go and cook. Guys, I be a badness in the kitchen. I not like it, you know. Some bad curry turkey neck and cornmeal dumpling. Guys, just stay tuned to the finishing look. I'm gonna tell you, guys, you can try this. You never see somebody put noodle in a curry. Cat noodle, chicken noodle, any type of noodle. Guys, we have a pumpkin in soup it up. Guys, I'm gonna throw in there and I'm gonna see what I go on. Guys, I be a badness. Guys, I'm gonna soup it up is pumpkin cock soup. You understand what I did? And guys, I'm gonna put this in on my curry, guys. It have a bad. Remember that if you never try it, when you try that one, guys, in your curry, believe that soon come back. Yeah, guys. So over here, so you have my Irish pumpkin and my carrot. For me turkey neck. You understand all these guys? Just watch your badness in the kitchen. Watch what I do. I'm going to try this one, guys. Can't wrong. Soon come back. Yeah, guys. So light up the next part of soap, the stove. Put on the flower pot. Guys, my turkey neck a cook. Stay tuned for the badness, guys. Soon come back. Yeah, guys. So I go on over here. So guys, let me do. Finish cut up the ground season already. I understand what I did. So now make my turkey go and cook before me season the right way. You understand what I did, guys? Yeah. Guys, I be a badness. Just stay tuned for the finishing look on the curry turkey neck and cornmeal dumpling with boiled Irish. Yeah, Irish guys. I boil some Irish savour. You understand what I did? So watch your badness, guys. Yeah, guys. So flour pot start boiling. Me now put my whole heap of flour this evening. You understand what I did? Yeah. Just couple lick of flour, guys. Now whole heap of flour with two Irish. You understand now the beer badness in the kitchen. As you go to the people that way up the ladder, you meet them on the way down. That's the way it is. Oh, that's the way it is. Oh, oh that's the way it is. Yeah, guys, so we're not going to do now, I'm going to peek to Irish. Put in my flower pot. You understand now, these guys, be a badness. Yeah, guys, so I'm going to put in the Irish now. To them. Yeah, guys, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put in the pumpkin, the Irish, and the carrot. You understand now, we don't talk anymore. Yeah, that's the way. That's the way. People, watch your badness while going in the kitchen. Soon come back, guys. Yeah, guys, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to season up the pot. I'm going to put in the cock soup it up. You understand now, yeah. Pumpkin cock soup it up, guys. It's so funny, we don't talk anymore. You put to the people that way up. Guys, watch what I go on. Yeah, in my curry. In my curry, I put this what I go on. That's the way it is. That's the way it is. Oh, the grown season, guys. Guys, when you come in Nicholas kitchen, give about food. If you never see You can use even the chicken noodle, the cock soup, and put in your curry, guys. If if you never try, want you try that one in your curry. Curry chicken, curry fish, any curry you deal with. Try any one of the cock soup in it, and you have a taste. You go to the people all the way up the ladder. You meet them all the way down. That's the way it is. Oh, that's the way it is. Guys, stay tuned to the finishing look. See the flour over here, so the flour can come off now. You understand now? The soon come back, guys. Watch out go on in that curry pot. Guys, it's bad. Believe that. Good to the people that way up the murder. Guys, watch out go on in that pot over here. Be a badness. Be a badness, guys. I don't like it. You know. Guys, more you try that one. Believe that. Yo, that one. Hard. Believe that, guys. If you never try this, more you try that one. Any curry, any cock soup with the curry. Guys, believe that. Guys, I'm gonna make you so hard go on in iPod. Be about this thing there.